Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So today we're going to be reviewing the Kobe China, and I forget which model it is. I think it's the Protro. I can't even remember which model, but we about to get into it. So you know, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We review kicks. We in the fits and kicks over here. So if you're into that, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the support. So with that being said, let's hop right into the review. They came in this wide box, and I think I know why. I think the actual box too, this pair is kind of big, no tape or anything, so we can jump right into it. Now it's just looks like a regular Kobe box. I don't know why this box is so squared off and big. Maybe to help from the damages, I'm not sure, but we got this black Kobe box with the snake print all through it. Got the gold Kobe signature right there on the front, and Nike in gold right here. Got the Mamba sign in gold right there, and then on this side we got the Mamba sign in gold again, a gold ring, and then here's the sizing tag. And the sizing tag does read Kobe 9 EM Protro, University Red, Metallic Gold. I got a size 10.5. This is what I wear in this silhouette, is a 10.5. Flip lid, nothing really on the inside of the lid. You do get this black and gold Kobe Mamba sign paper with the Mamba signs in gold all over black with the snake print. Put that down, extra layer of paper, and then here are the shoes. Cool. Let's hop right into it. Woo, okay. Man, it's my first time seeing these actually, man. They super clean. All right, inside the box, no green sticker or anything like that. So this is how the inside of your box should come. So that's enough of the box. And I only show you that because these did sell out. There have been restocks here and there, but for the most part, they sold out in this size, bigger sizes. So if you're getting off the secondary market, this is how your box should look. So with that being said, let's get into the kicks. Okay, let me take a glance here. Okay, yeah. These are super nice, man. I underestimated these for sure. I didn't think they were gonna be like that, but man, these are kind of fire. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually go into some of the detail of the shoe, the reasoning behind the shoe, as I show you some B-roll, and we're gonna get right into the review. So without further ado, let's get into the Kobe 9 Protro EM China. So here's what it says about this pair. Kobe's connection to China runs deep, often hosting youth basketball camps, clinics, and events, securing a strong bond with Chinese fans throughout his career. A homage to China, this Kobe 9 Low Protro EM returns for the first time since 2014, featuring a vibrant University Red engineering mesh upper with metallic gold and black accents. The decorative two-snake design on the tongue top channels the concept of duality and balance. Built for an elite court feel, this Protro model comes ready to perform. Its breathable engineered mesh upper is all about lightweight performance. Underfoot and drop-in reaction foam midsoles offer responsive cushioning, helping you feel connected to the court. A carbon fiber plate in the outsole helps prevent strong but lightweight lateral stability, while misdirectional tread gives you the grip your game demands. Cool, so that was a little backstory about the shoe, just so you understand where the shoe comes from and the reason behind it. So with that being said, let's hop right into the review. You got the Kobe 9 outsole, all white, and it's almost like a hint of gray, but white. It's like a mixture of light gray and white, but you see that right there on the outsole, right there. At the back of the heel, you got an orange, looks like the Mamba sign in orange, all oranged out. Midsole, here's where it gets nice. The midsole, you got a combination of gold speckles, red, and black, right? So inside the red, you'll see you have the gold speckles inside the red. You got the Kobe signature in black right there on the heel, which is a beautiful touch. And of course, black and red going towards the toe box and the toe cap. So around the toe cap, like right around here, right around this portion, you got like it's almost like a sparkly type of gold metallic Let me see if I can bring it closer so you can see. Going around the whole toe box, and you can see it really from this angle really good. From the toe cap, you can see it's right around the toe cap. Here's the toe box. So that adds a special look in my opinion. Moving up to the upper, you get that mesh upper. Gold Kobe Nike swoosh. Or sorry, not a gold Kobe Nike swoosh, but a gold Nike swoosh right there on the upper, which gives the shoe a nice pop against that red. Back tab, you got black back tab, and you got the stitches that Kobe got up his heel when he tore his Achilles. They're in gold, so that's supposed to mimic that part of the shoe. A little Mamba sign right below that, and then in the back it's more of that red with the gold speckling as well. Let me see something here, because I noticed something when I was looking at the back of the heel. Okay, yeah, so I don't know if this is going to pick up on camera, but there's some type of, like, I guess you can call it Chinese design inside the black, going along the gold stripes going along the back. But I don't know if the camera is picking up, but hopefully it is, and you can see that. It's like it gives it like a premium feel. Black sock liner, which is key. Let's see here. I almost want to loosen these laces up a little bit because there's a design on the tongue that I want to show you. Okay, so that's a better look at it. As I read to you, you can see the tongue. It's got Chinese design all throughout the tongue. That is fire, man. Man, that's dope. It's like snakes right here. It's like a snake pattern. So it's two snakes. Other designs I can't really make out, but it's got like flower stars, things of that nature. Fire. Look at that. That is dope. And then the Mamba sign in red right above that fits right in there. That is dope. That's fire, man. I mean, that alone, yeah, that alone just sets the shoe off in my opinion. So, shoe paper. And then the inside of the shoe, you just got your normal Kobe Protro 9 insole that grips to your foot and really locks your foot in. Nothing else on the insole and nothing else on the back of the tongue. So, let me see if the right pair has anything different. No, it's all the same. Yeah, everything looks the same on the right shoe as well. So, that being said, that's just about it for the review. I definitely want to put these on feet ASAP because these are fire, man, in my opinion. And yeah, these are definitely worth. I mean, it's not going too much right now on the secondary market. So in my opinion, these are definitely worth the price they're going for. I think for this size 10.5, I paid retail $190, but I think they're going for about $220 on a 10.5. So it's not too bad. If you're really a diehard Kobe fan, you love the color red and gold and black, and this model, this is a definite cop in my opinion. So with that being said, I don't want to hold you too long. So we're gonna hop right into the on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate all the support. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, I'm out.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.